Hi, I'm Brian G. at Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. We're right by 394 near 169. And right behind me, you see the Toyota RAV4. You notice it's this Toyota is actually the most popular model. They've just redesigned it for 2019, and I'm really excited to show it to you, and you should be excited to see it. This is pretty impressive. Right up front, you'll find that they have really enhanced the styling of it. They've lifted up the headlights. They've totally changed the grille, made it more of a horizontal design style to give it more of a bold, aggressive look. And that's great because the capabilities have improved too. Up front, under the hood, you've got two different motor choices. You've got the 2.5 liter, that's a standard motor. That's 203 horsepower, pretty impressive. 8-speed automatic transmission. Now there's our more powerful sport model, RAV4, actually has a hybrid under the hood. Hybrid technology that has 219 horsepower and a whole bunch of torque. I think you're going to find either way, it's a great choice. Now safety's been improved too. All of it has. Right here you've got a radar dome. It's a great big bold Toyota symbol. Underneath you've got a little camera. You've got some more cameras right back here at the windshield. All of this means Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. That means the second generation of Toyota Safety Sense, making it even better. You have some extra bonus stuff like roadside detection. It's going to do stuff like read stop signs, do not enter signs, yield signs, and so forth, so that it actually shows you on the MID right up front what's going on. Nice to know the speed limit and not get in trouble that way. Right along here, along the side, you find that we've got enhanced style again. Notice the chrome handles. You know, this is the limited. In fact, they come in a lot of different models, the RAV4 does. They come in 5 different regular models plus some hybrid stuff. We'd love to go over which one is right for you based on what your price point might be or what creature comforts you just gotta have. Right inside the door, you'll find, again, all redesigned. They've got a 3-tone color pattern in the ash gray interior. And I think you find that they all blend together really well and the accents are fantastic. I can't wait to show you more about the technology they've also introduced on the interior cockpit of this car. The all-wheel drive stuff has been improved as well. Now on the limited and the adventure models especially, you've got what's called dynamic torque vectoring. You find right down here on my little cue card. Dynamic torque vectoring is fantastic because it actually does a great job of transferring power front to back, but also side to side. So it can kind of read the road conditions and what you're doing and what you're asking out of it to give you better control, and you're going to love it for Minnesota winters. On top of that, the ground clearance has actually been enhanced as well. Again, Minnesota winters, they won't stand a chance. In the back, the RAV4 with the redesign has been widened out some. With that, you're going to find more shoulder, more hip room, and of course that comfort. Now it's also got creature comforts like the heated seats right here. Right down there you've got some USB power outlets at the 2.1 amp. That's the high-speed charger. So the kids in the back, yeah, they get to keep their electronics charged. Up top, you'll see a panoramic power moonroof, so everybody gets a great view of the sky. Right here, the seats do fold down if you would like a little more cargo space. As you're gearing up for your next adventure, you'll notice that there is a lot of room. We'll cover more of that here in just a sec. As we go around back, again, let's talk style. There's LED headlights, LED taillights, and this fantastic look back here. Extra safety stuff. And also comes with a backup camera. It's got some backup sensors here as well. And tow capacity, by the way, for the standard RAV4 is 1,500 pounds. The hybrid is 1,750. So as you're walking up to the RAV4, admiring this beautiful design, you get your hands full of groceries, it does have the foot-activated power back hatch. Isn't that awesome? You're going to have your neighbors over just to show them that, aren't you? As you can see inside, it's actually enhanced by being wider and longer so that you get more of your stuff in. Again, ready for your next adventure. You got to have room for the groceries and the gear. JBL sound, great big subwoofer. That's an 800-watt sound system. Does, by the way, come with Clarify. Clarify helps clean out the bumps on your digital music. The sound quality is fantastic. You're going to love that. Come around over here to the side. We have 19-inch alloy wheels on the Limited. Of course, you get different wheel packages depending on which trim level is right for you. And here is the big reveal on the inside. The driver's seat. This is where it all comes down, right? You've got a lot of different things on the Limited package. Memory seats. Memory seats are going to help you control, for different drivers, your power outside mirrors and of course your power driver's seat. Inside, you'll notice a row of buttons to the left of the steering wheel. First one is just your dimmer switch for your speedometer, odometer, that screen in front of you. The one next to it is for your auto high beams. The one next to that is actually for a heater setup, grid array underneath your wiper blades. Minnesota, watch out, you'll be ready. From there, you've got your bird's eye view, your heated steering wheel, that's right, Minnesota, take that, and your power back hatch button. There's a power driver's seat here. It is an 8-way setup that includes power lumbar. Again, we're in the top of the line Limited RAV4 with all the features, including the advanced technology package. So as we go through these features, understand this does have everything. If there are some features you aren't necessarily right for you, no worries. You can probably save some money and still get the right one that's just right for you. Let's get started going from the top right here. You'll notice that there's the SOS button. That's a Toyota telematics, and that is basically if airbags deploy or whatever, they can contact you and make sure you're okay. They can do a lot more than that too regarding vehicle diagnostics to make sure your car is running just right, and even contact a service department that's near you to make sure that things are nice and easy and of course clear. Going right down here, you see the rearview mirror. It's got home link for up to 3 garage door openers. That's very cool. Even better is you'll notice you've got the rear view camera. Imagine your back cargo area is full of gear for that next adventure, and well, you can't see very well out that back window. No worries. The best vantage point anyway is from this camera right here, and you can see, as you can see, that nice high resolution image is a fantastic substitute from the best vantage point. Going down here, you'll find the meat and potatoes of the multimedia entertainment system. You've got, of course, all your audio. You can stream in via Bluetooth from your phone. And it's got full maps. You can use Apple CarPlay for the maps, or you can use the premium navigation that's built into this Limited RAV4 right here, right now. This does a whole bunch. In fact, with the JBL sound system, we talked a little bit about that before that. Sirius XM radio, HD radio, pretty much you name it, it's got it or can do it. Right down to Alexa, turning on lights, turning in your car, and a whole bunch more. Right down here, you'll find you've got your dual zone climate control. Very nice, very handy, and of course it's intuitive. It's a Toyota. Right down here, heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. Vehicle stability control off button. Right down here in this little pocket, you've got a 12-volt power outlet auxiliary and a USB. That'll be important for your Apple CarPlay to plug it in right down there. Right next to that, of course, there's a charging pad. On equipped phones, you can just set it right down there, turn it on, and wirelessly charge your phone. Very cool. Electronic parking brake right down here. At just a touch of a button, you can go ahead and do that. It's kind of cool though, because by using the hold button, if you're in traffic, if you're at a drive-through, you just push the hold button and your car will not move forward until you actually push the gas pedal. At that point, it releases and you go forward. It's very convenient. When you actually use it, you'll see what I mean. Next to that, the 8-speed automatic transmission. You'll notice sport shifting right over here. The direct shift aspect of that 8-speed, I think you're going to find the shifts are crisp. They're clean and they're really fast. With 8 speeds, you can imagine how important that is. Over here, you've got drive modes for that transmission: Eco, Normal, and Sport, so you have more customization. Right down here is a really nice addition that we've really enjoyed on this 2019 RAV4. Mud and sand is to the left, rock is to the right, and of course normal by just pushing it. Those are modes to better enhance your traction. And of course, the Minnesota Beware button, that's right, better handling overall in the snow for that, and downhill assist control for more of the mountainous areas. They've got you covered as well. Right up here, you've got the great big display. Notice this great big display up here. You can customize what your speedometer looks like. You can customize all of the different features of your Toyota Safety Sense and a whole bunch more. When you stop into our store, we would love to go over these in detail as far as what it does and how it works to make sure you're comfortable with the vehicle that you're driving. Up here on the steering wheel, we did everything to make it really, really easy, and your pertinent information, of course, laid out right in front of you with your customized controls. These controls are, of course, right here is going to control what's here on the big display. Volume up and down, voice control switch, yes, for directions, for whatever you need, for even which radio station you're listening to. Yes, you can use that via voice control. Your Bluetooth stuff set up here as well. Over here, you've got a button for your dynamic radar cruise control for customizing what distance you'd like to follow the person in front of you. And of course, your lane keep assist right up there. Cruise control, of course, right here. You'll find that there's a lot in this vehicle. It's limited, of course, but something that you can grow into if you're not comfortable on day one. And it'll take care of you for years to come, which is helpful because, well, they're built to last. That's a Toyota. Hey, if you liked what you see with the brand new, all redesigned 2019 Toyota RAV4, wait until you drive it. Come see us. We're at Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley, and you can schedule your visit by simply calling 763-222-2020. Thanks, we look forward to seeing you, and thanks for watching.